what my wife got me for Christmas. She said something special. Let's check it out. Oh, John. Baby, you with the Jacob? What's going on here? What's going on here? Wow. This is beautiful. Baby, you bought another $1 million watch for me?
You deserve it.
This is so nice.
Take it out and see it. Put it on.
This is so beautiful. I am amazed. I'm so thankful.
There's diamonds on the lock.
God dang, it's nice.
What is it called?
Twin turbo. See them 2 motors right there? It's very nice. You put it on.
It's huge too.
And shit big. Do I got it on the right way? No, yeah, that was the right way. I gotta put it away like my wrist. Thank you, babe. Mwah.
See the turn the thing. Here's that. Glad you like it.